Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to futures trading or looking for a reliable platform, this video is just for you. Today we'll break down how to start trading on MEXC and why it's a great choice for both beginners and experienced traders. Now let's get started. Now what is MEXC futures trading? MEXC futures allows users to trade digital currencies with advanced features beyond traditional spot trading. With special trading logic and multiple opening methods, it provides traders with more opportunities to maximize their profits. This guide will help you to go from zero to pro in futures trading. MEXC offers two types of futures contracts: the USDTM and the CoinM. The USDTM is settled in USDT, allowing you to trade in various cryptocurrencies while holding USDT. While in CoinM is settled in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, meaning your profits and losses are in the traded asset. In this video, we'll focus on the USDTM since it's the most beginner-friendly option. So before we can start trading, we need to transfer funds into your futures account. So first things first, open your MEXC app and navigate wallets and then click transfer. From spot, you press futures and then you change your currency into USDT, which is already indicated there, and then enter the amount that you want to transfer and then click transfer. Now, trading futures involves different modes that impact your profits and losses. Here's how to set up and place an order efficiently. Now, in order to set up our position mode, just click the three dot icon at the top right corner of your futures trading page and then click preferences and then just tap position mode, and then you can choose between hedge mode or one-way mode. Now, what are these two? In hedge mode, you can hold both long and short positions on the same asset, while in one-way mode, you hold either a long or short position. Next is we're going to set up our margin mode. So the first thing that we're going to do is to tap the isolated margin icon at the top left corner of the futures trading page. Now swipe left or right to choose the corresponding margin code, whether it's isolated or cross. The next is to click apply margin mode adjustment to all features and then just click confirm. Okay, now let's set up our leverage mode. This basically adjusts leverage up to 400 times depending on your risk preference. Now the first thing that we're going to do is to tap the three dot icon at the top right corner of our futures page and then tap preferences, and let's go and click leverage mode. Now you can choose either simple or advanced mode. For example, in simple mode, you can directly set isolated or cross and the leverage multiplier. In advanced mode, you can separately set isolated or cross margin and leverage multiplier for both long and short positions. MEXC offers several trading types for different trading strategies, and let's go over them. First we have is limit orders, wherein you can set your own price for buying or selling. Now the first thing that we're going to be doing is to set the price and then set your base unit to USDT and then set your desired amount and then set your time in force. And then place your order, whether it's open, long, or short. The next type we have on our list is market orders, wherein you buy or you sell instantly at the best available price. Now, the first thing that we're gonna do is change the base unit to USDT, press confirm, and then enter your desired amount. Now, this is actually optional, guys. You can actually click MTL, where you can switch margin into limit orders, and then just click open long or open short. Now the next thing that we have on our list is trigger orders, where it automatically executes when a specific price is reached. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is to set our price type, whether that is your last price, your fair price, or your index price. And then next is to set your trigger method, whether that is limit or market. Next is to set your trigger price and then your desired price and then set the amount, and then of course change your base unit. And this is actually optional, guys, but you can set your time and force, whether that is long term, 7 days, or 24 hours. And then you can place your order by pressing open long or open short. Our fourth order type we have is the trailing stop order, where it protects profits by adjusting stop loss dynamically. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do, guys, is to choose ratio or price distance. So in this case, we choose ratio. And then next is to set your ratio or your price distance, whichever type you used. Just click your desired ratio. And then next is to enter your certain amount. And of course, let's not forget to change our base unit to USDT. And then this is actually optional, guys, but we can actually set our activation price. And then once we got all of that set, just place your order by clicking open long or short. Now, the last order type that we're going to be discussing is the post-only orders, wherein it ensures that you are the maker and benefit from the lowest fees. Okay, now this is just easy, guys. The first thing that we're going to be doing is to set our price. Now, for instance, this is our desired price. The next thing that we're going to do is set our base unit to USDT, and then set your desired amount, and then just place the order by just clicking open long or open short. It's that easy, guys. Okay, now let's move on into monitoring our orders. If our order has not been triggered, let's go to open orders and just click open order, and then order and trade history. Okay, so you guys will see every transaction you made. And if your order has been triggered, just scroll down and click positions to see your transaction. MEXC Futures offers a powerful and flexible environment for crypto traders. Whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, MEXC has the tools and features to support your trading journey. Now, are you guys ready to start trading? Just use the link in the description box down below and get started on MEXC today. Drop a comment below if you guys have any questions, or if you'd like me to cover any futures trading strategies in future videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future contents. That's all, guys. Bye!